First of all, thanks for being here in my YouTube channel. So this special data interpretation video are specially made for the students, those who are going for a CAT level exam, as well as students those who are going for a bank mains exam. So in those exams you can able to see a very difficult data interpretation. So in order to crack that, I will be posting these kinds of difficult data interpretation videos. So do not forget to watch all my videos, but remember one important thing: before watching this video you have to know this: the same data interpretation question what I am going to teach now is available as a test. So first visit my website or my mobile application. There in a quantitative aptitude session you can able to see at the last data interpretation bracket mains. So inside that, the same question what I am going to teach in this set available as a test. First write the test and check what is your score, whether you are getting 5 out of 5 or you can't able to understand the DA itself. So first write the test. After writing the test, come and watch this video for solution. Without writing a test, if you watch this video completely, 100% the video will be useless, no use. So first write the test and analyze what is the mistake that you have done, where you have done the mistake, and then watch this video, right? Definitely it will be helpful for the students, those who are going for CAT exams and bank mains exam. So let me move on to all the difficult data interpretation question on these types of videos. So friends, now let me move on to this set number 5 data interpretation. So that is for a mains level. So I hope you have taken the test already. So in case if you have not taken the test on my test series, kindly go and write the same DA as a test and then come and watch this video, right? So here in this set number 5, so there are two table chart. So first let me analyze what are all the values they have given in a chart, because there are two charts and something like different charts has been given. So first let me analyze the chart completely. After analyzing, we can move on to all the 5 questions, right? So first they are talking about a software development, gaming software development. So totally 15 months. So month 1 and month 2, the stage was specification, and the 40,000 per man per month. Right? So 40 at the top of the chart you can able to see rupees 000, which means 1000. So 40 into 1000 will be 40,000. So 40,000 will be the cost. That is for 1 month, that is per month, right? 1 month, and that salary is for per month, right? So per month 1 month salary will be 40,000. For the specification, for next 3 to 4 months, that is 3rd month and 4th month for design, 20,000. 5th month, 6th month, 7th month, 8th month is for coding, 10,000. And the testing, 9th month and 10th month, which is 15,000. So 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So that month will be the maintenance part, which was 10,000 salary for 1 month, right? And then below you can able to see number of people employed in each month, right? So the meaning here is for every month they have given how many employees are working. For example, first month 2 employees were working, second month 3 employees were working, 3rd month 4, 4th month 3, 5th month 4 employees. So number of people were employed for that work, for design or for testing, for maintenance. So what is the number of people that were employed, right? And month has been given. Some students, right, usually these kinds of data interpret, that is based on months, right? Some students, what they usually think here is, for example, if you take design. So if you take design, they have given 3/4, right? The actual meaning here is 3rd month and 4th month the design part has been taken, which means 2 months they are working for design. But some students, what they wrongly understand the question is, they assume like 3 to 4 months. So friends, can you able to understand the difference, right? So only 2 months, that is 3rd month and 4th month, they are working for a design. But some students who wrongly understood this question as 3 to 4 months they are working for a design. No, that is actually wrong. You should not think like that, because the complete process has been taken 15 months. So they have given for each month, right? For example, if you take the maintenance part, it was not 11 to 15 months. It is 11th month, 12th month, 13th month, 14th month, 15th month. So out of this 15 months, so 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, these months are for maintenance. So friends, understood. So don't take on that way, right? If you take on that way, it's wrong. I will tell you where you have to take like that, right? In the question itself, they will give you a different scenario. So in that case, you have to take like that. 11 to 15 months it was testing, right? So you should not consider like that. So you should always consider the software development was 15 months totally. So out of 15 months, first month and second month, only 2 months for specification. Third month and the fourth month, again 2 months, next to 2 months for design. 5, 6, 7, 8, 4 months, 4 months for coding, 9 and 10, 2 months for testing, and then 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 5 months for maintenance. So friends, understood, right? Because some students are wrongly understanding the question, that's the reason I'm telling here. So I hope this question, don't know, actually I didn't solve it. But I think it can be a medium level question where I can able to see all the 5 questions here. But okay, so let me move on to all the questions. In case if you got 5 out of 5, extremely good. But if you can't able to even attend 2 or 3 questions, then you have to practice more, right? So at least practice again and again so that you can able to understand the concepts, and while coming to 10th or 9th data interpretation, you can surely crack the questions, right? Practice is more and more important. So now let me move on to all the 5 questions based upon this chart. First question. So due to overrun in design, the design stage took 3 months, that is months 3rd, 4th and the 5th. The number of people working on the design in the 5th month was 5. So calculate the percentage change in the cost incurred in the 5th month. So due to this improvement in coding technique, this stage was completed in month 6 to 8 only. Okay, so first let me try to understand the question and what we need to find, right? Our target is to calculate the percentage change. So our target is to find what is the percentage change happen because of changing some values. So what is called as percentage change? Percentage change have 2 formula. One is if all the values are given in percentage, and then if we need to find a percentage change, the formula will be A plus B plus AB by 100. In case if all the values are given in a numbers, and if they are asking a percentage change, the formula will be x is what percent more or less than y, x minus y by 100, right? So these 2 formulas are always important while teaching percentage topic itself. I have told you, right? So this is one percentage change formula, this will be another percentage change formula. So friends, you need to understand that when you should use this formula and when you should use this formula. If both the values, right, A or B or X or Y, if both the values are in percentages, right, so you have to apply this formula, A plus B plus AB by 100. Here you can able to see all the values are like numbers, right, 20,000, number of employees. So numbers, so you should not use this formula for finding percentage change. You should use this formula x minus y divided by y into 100. So our target is to find what is x, what is y, and apply it, and we need to find the percentage change value. So first let me understand the question. So due to overrun in a design, so due to extra work in a design, the design stage took 3 months. So usually according to the chart, what they are saying is 3rd month and the 4th month is for what? Design. So now what they are saying is, because of extra work in the design, it additionally take 1 month, that is from the coding. Usually coding is what? 5th month, 6th month, 7th month, 8th month. These are the months are for actually for coding, right? So here this 5th month alone, right, the people who are working now, it's for design. Because of extra work in the design, they took another 1 month, that is for design, that is 5th month. So now 5th month they are working for a design. So because of this 5th month they are working, we need to find what is the percentage change that was happened here. And another important thing, they have given an additional point that, so on 5th month there were 5 people are working on the design. So in the 5th month there are 5 people who are working on the design. So now the design months are 3rd month, 4th month and 5th month. So the coding months are 6th month, 7th month, 8th month. Understood or not? Not 5th month, right? Because 5th month completely they are working for a design. So year 5 will not come on coding. So coding they are taken for 3 months, 6th month, 7th month and 8th month. So design actually according to the chart, it was only for 2 months, that is 3rd and 4th. So now because of overrun, they took additionally 1 month, 5th month they have taken, and that 5th month 5 employees were working. So now we need to find the percentage change. So before this 5th month people who are working for a design, already 5th month is for what? For coding. So usually in this coding part on the 5th month, how many people are working? So according to the second chart, you can able to see 4 people are working, right? So in the actual chart, 5th month, the people, 4 people were working for the coding, right? So because of we need to find the percentage change, first we need to find the value here. So 5th month, 4 people are working. So for every people, sorry, for every 1 month, what is the salary for coding? It's 10,000. So 4 person are working. So 4 into 10,000 will be 40,000. So 40,000 will be the salary for the 5th month according to the chart for coding. So now it has been changed, right? It has been changed like 5th month, they are working for a design. How many people are working? 5 people are working. So what is the cost per month for design for 1 month? So design will be 20,000. So now 5 people are working. So 5 into 20,000. So 5 into 20,000 will be 1 lakh. So now we got the value of X, now we got the value of Y. So now we need to apply in the formula, right? Always the comparison is the 5th month. So 5th month we need to compare, right? So 1 lakh minus 40,000, that is X value will be 1 lakh. So 1 lakh minus 40k, so divided by 40k into 100. So now this will be 60k, right? So 60,000 divided by 40,000 into 100, right? So always divide by the value, which was what value we need to compare, that value should comes in the denominator. Don't forget it, right? So actual value, not the changed value. Actual value is 40,000, right? The changes that has happened, we need to find the difference at the numerator. That's what we did. So here is the changes that has been happened, that comes in the numerator. Actual value should comes in the denominator, so that we can able to find what is the percentage change that was happened here, right? So 60,000 by 40,000, so we can cancel 1 2 3 0, 1 2 3 zeros. So 4 0 we can cancel 2 and 4. So 600 by 4 will be 150 percentage. So 150 percentage will be the percentage change that was happened. So because of overrun in the design, right? So this will be the answer for the first question, right? So interesting. So here in this question, what you need to understand this, the percentage formula alone is important. Where to apply the first formula and where to apply the second formula. And then comparison value. Always some students will write 1 lakh in the denominator. Don't do it. So always the actual value what they have given in the chart, that value we need to compare with the changes that has been happened, right? So that comparison value should comes in the denominator. The changes what happened should be in the numerator. Only then we can able to find the difference, right? So this will be the answer for this question, that is first question, 150 percentage. Question number 2. So with reference to the above question, what is the cost incurred in the new coding stage? Under the new technique, 4 people work in 6th month and 5 people in the 8th month. So friends, what they are saying is with reference to the above question, right? The above question we have made some changes, right? So what changes we have made is in the design, instead of 3rd month and 4th month, we additionally have 5th month, it's for a design. So now the coding stage actually 5 to 8, but now according to the previous question, we have changed as 6th month, 7th month and 8th month. It is for a design. So with reference to the previous question, the coding stage has been new coding stage, right? So in this coding stage, what they are saying is, this is a new technique. 4 people work in the 6th month. So 6th month, actually according to the chart, it was a different value. But here in the question, they are saying in the 6th month, there are 4 people working. And in the 8th month, there are 5 people working. But they are not talking about the 7th month. So now let me look at the chart for the 7th month. So 7th month, you can able to see 5 people are working. So totally how many people are working for this coding part alone? 5 plus 5, 10. 10 plus 4 will be 14. So totally 14 people are working, right? So 14 people are working for the coding part, that is on the 6th month, 7th month and 8th month according to the new technique. So now what is our target? Our target is to find what is the cost incurred. So 14, and we know that what is the coding cost will be 10,000. So 10,000 into 14 will be 1,40,000. So 1,40,000 will be the answer for this question, right? Because we need to multiply by already 10 and then 1,000. So it will be 10,000. So for 14 members, we have to, the salary for one person will be 10,000 for a month. So 14 people will be 1,40,000, right? So 1,40,000 will be the total cost incurred on a new coding stage. So which will be the answer for this question. So question number 3. So what is the difference in cost between the old and the new technique? So our target is to find what is the difference in the cost, right? So because of that old technique and new technique, so old technique, the chart value, actual chart value is the old technique. So new technique is what? New technique is the changes that has been happened in the first question. They are calling that as a new technique. Old technique will be the chart value. And we need to find what is the cost difference for it. So actually this new technique and the old technique happens only in the month of third month, fourth month, that is on the design as well as on the coding. Right. So first what we can do is we can find the old technique, what is the total cost, right? So old technique and new technique. First we can find the two values separately. First old technique. So old technique, what they are saying is fifth month and sixth month, right? So sixth month as well as eighth month. So why I have not taken seventh month? Because seventh month no changes has been happened. Only in the old technique and new technique two changes has been made. One is the fifth month gone for a design, and then sixth month and eighth month in the new technique some people were employed. Right? Different people were employed. In the old technique where they are not talking, they are not changing any value. Right, for the seventh month. So seventh month, the number of people who are employed values are not at all changed. Only for the fifth month, sixth month and eighth month they have changed the value. So I don't take the seventh month here. So fifth month, sixth month and seventh month. Now according to the old chart value, fifth month how many people are working? So total number of people who are working on the fifth month was 4. So sixth month how many people are working? Sixth month 5 people are working. So what about the eighth month? So 8th month 4 people are working. So this will be the total number of people who are working on the old technique according to the given chart value, right? So 4, 5 will be 9. So 9 plus 3, 9 plus 4 will be 13. So totally 13 people are working in this old technique, so according to the chart value. And we know that coding salary is what? 10,000 per month. So 13 people are working, so 1,30,000. So 1,30,000 will be the total cost according to the old technique. So now let me move on to the new technique. So new technique, what changes has been happened here is the fifth month people who are working on the coding has been changed to a design part. And how many people are working? 5 people are working, because not in the chart value. So in the new technique, first question itself they are given 5 people are working on the design part, right? So 5 people are working. So design will be how much salary? It's 20,000, right? So 20,000 will be design salary. And then 6th month and 7th month, according to the new technique, previous question, they have given a value that 6th month 4 people are working, right? And then 8th month, sorry, it's not 7, it's 8, right? So 8th month, how many people are working? 5 people are working. So totally how many? 5 plus these 2, 5 plus 4 will be 9 people working. And this 9 people are working for coding. So coding salary is what? Coding salary will be 10,000. So 90,000 salary. This will be 1 lakh. So total will be 1,90,000. So according to the new technique, the salary will be 1,90,000, right? According to the old technique, 1,30,000. So now we need to find the difference. So difference will be 60,000. So 60,000 will be the answer for this question. So friends, understood or not, right? So some students will say, sorry for writing 7 here, actually 8, because 7th month no changes has been happened. And some students will ask, can I calculate for the 7th month also? Yes, you can. Even if you calculate for 7th month, you are going to get the same answer. So because instead of getting a same answer, I am not taken that 7th month itself, because no changes were happened for the 7th month. As well as in the design part, 3rd month, 4th month also no changes has been happened. Only changes that was happened old and new will be 5th month as well as 6th month and 8th month. Why? Because in the previous question they have said that for 6th month 4 people are working, and for the 8th month 5 people are working. Right? So these two are for working for a coding. So 10,000 salary, 90,000. And here in the new technique, 5th month they are not working for coding. Now 5th month in the new technique they are working for a design. So design salary will be 20,000. And according to the new technique, first question they have given 5th month 5 employees are working. So 5 so into 20,000 salary for a design, 1,90,000. Old technique 1,30,000. And our target is to find what is the difference in the cost. So difference in the cost will be 60,000. So which will be the answer for question number 3. Question number 4. So under the new technique, which stage of software development is most expensive? So our target is to find which stage is more expensive according to the new technique, not the old technique. So old technique, the actual value what they have given in the chart, which is called as a old technique. So new technique is the changes that has happened in the first question and second question. We should consider the changes as a new technique, right? So first we need to find which is most expensive. Okay, we have to calculate separately, no other way, right? So first we can go for specifications. So specification, first and second month. So first month, how many employees are there? 2 employees. Second month, 3 employees. So totally 3 plus 2 will be 5 employees. And 40,000 will be the salary for specification per man per month. So we can say that 5 people, 40,000 will be 5 into 4 will be 20, 2 lakh. So 2 lakh will be the salary for specifications, right? So next will be for design. So third month, fourth month, new technique, right? So third month, fourth month and fifth month. So fifth month, 5 people are working. And then fourth month, 3 people are working, right? So third month, 4. So 4 plus 3 will be 7. So 7 plus 5 will be 12. So 12 people are totally working for a design, right? According to the new technique I am saying, because fifth month, according to the first question, 5 people are working, right? So 12, each person's salary will be 20,000. So 20,000 into 12 will be how much? 2,40,000. So 2,40,000, right? So 2,40,000 will be the cost for design. So next will be coding. So sixth month, what is the changes they have made? Sixth month, 4 people. Eighth month, 5 people, right? So 4 and 5, 9. And what about the seventh month? So seventh month, 5 people. So 9 plus 5 will be 14 and total salary will be 10,000. So 1,40,000. So 1,40,000 will be the salary on for the coding month, right? So next will be for testing. So testing, there no changes has been happened according to testing maintenance part. So testing for 9th month and 10th month. So 9th month 4 people are working, 10th month only 1 were working. So totally 5 people are working for testing. So salary will be 15,000. So 15,000 into 5 will be 75,000. So 75,000 is the total cost for testing. So next will be maintenance. So maintenance 11th month to 15th month. So 11, 13, 12th month again 3. So 3 plus 3 will be 6, 7, 8, 9. So totally 9 people are working from 11th month to 15th month for maintenance. And each people's salary will be 10,000. So 9 into 10,000 will be 90,000. So 90,000 will be the cost that has been for the last maintenance part. So now our target is to find which stage of development is most expensive. So which stage is most expensive? The second stage, which is the designing part. So designing part seems to be more expensive on the stage. So we can say that that will be the answer for this question. So last fifth question. So which 5 consecutive numbers have the lowest average cost per month under the new technique? So our target is to find which 5 consecutive months from the options, right? Because option has been given 1 to 5, 9 to 13, 11 to 15, and we need to find average cost, right? So according to the new technique, okay, so average cost, I think the third option we have calculated, right? 11 to 15 was, what is the value that we calculated on the previous one? It is 11 to 15, 3, 6, 7, 8, 9, 90,000. 90,000 for 11 to 15. We have calculated that value in the previous question itself. So two option 9 to 13. So 9 to 13 is 9, 10. So 4 plus 1 will be 5, right? So which is 75,000, 75k, and then okay, so 11, 12, 13, another 3 months. So 11, 12, 13, 3 plus 3, 6, 6 plus 1 will be 7, another 70,000. So totally we can say that according to option 2, that is 9 to 13, right, the total has been 145, 1,45,000. So this will not be the answer. Why? Because we have to find which month, 5 consecutive month, lowest average cost. So lowest will not be 1,40,000 because we have the third option 11 to 15, which is only 90,000. What about 1 to 5? So 1 to 2, 40,000. So 1 to 2, 3, 5. There itself it comes 2 lakh, right? So we don't want to calculate. So better we can say option 3 is the answer, right? Because lowest, first you can able to see it's more value. Second is 1,45,000. Only third option where we get 11 to 15 will be the lowest. So friends, that's it, right? So totally we have solved 5 questions sorry, in this chart. So actually I think most of the students should get 5 out of 5 in the test series, right? If you can't able to get it, so just try to understand what are all the mistakes that you have made and try to rectify on all the upcoming data interpretations, right? So here in this question you have to first analyzing the chart is most important here, and then you should understand what is called as new technique and what is called as old technique. So always the comparison part, if we need to compare the old and new, you have to check which value they have changed, right? What are all the values they have changed? Only that value calculation is enough. You don't want to calculate the remaining value because time waste, because those values have not changed, so no changes might be happened in the final answer. So only thing is which value they have changed. You have to find the cost for that value, like old and new, and then you need to find the difference, right? So practice more number of questions. Do not forget to write the test again and again. I am saying this. I think this video, when compared to the previous video, this video you will not able to see any sounds, background noises, right? Because sorry for the previous video, some birds noise and the crackers sounds was there in the previous video, but now you won't see any sounds here. So thank you so much for watching this video, friends, and if you really like it, share the video to your friends, those who are preparing for the competitive exams. So thank you so much. Bye.